Wish your shower could feel fresh without that eye-watering vinegar smell? You're in luck. Let's clean it up with just baking soda and lemon. Here's what you'll need. Baking soda, freshly squeezed lemon juice, warm water, an old toothbrush, and either a bowl or a zip-top bag. Easy, right? Step 1. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with enough lemon juice to form a thick, fizzy paste. This combo busts up mineral gunk and leaves your bathroom smelling like sunshine, not salad dressing. Step 2. If your shower head unscrews, remove it and smear the paste right onto the nozzles and threads. If it's not removable, just fill a zip bag with the paste, wrap it around the shower head and secure it with a rubber band. Now let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Longer if you've got stubborn buildup. This is your chance to grab a coffee or wrangle the kids. Afterwards, grab that old toothbrush and gently scrub the nozzles and edges. Rinse everything well with warm water. If you took the shower head off, reinstall it and blast hot water for a minute to clear out any leftovers. Pro tip: give your shower head this natural spa treatment every month or 2 to keep water flowing and germs away. Too busy for DIY? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning. We'll get your whole bathroom sparkling, naturally. Visit bearbroscleaning.com or call 256-633-6332 because your home deserves to be berry clean.